Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic room planner tutorial how to add text. Now we have this example floor plan, and if you want to add text, you can click add button. You can scroll down and then choose more. After it, you can scroll again and then choose the annotation. So in here we have this example text, and I will use the black text annotation. You can click, hold, and then drop into the floor plan. Now you can select this text to edit. Click edit text, and I will set the name like into living room. Click OK to apply. And to resize, you can click here, font size. I will set the font size into 30. Click OK again. Now to edit the text, you can click these icons to change the height measurement. You can click. Then I will click from this point into the right or the left. I can move again into this point. Click outside to apply. Okay. And I will move again to here. And if you're done, you can click outside. Okay, that's it for basic room planner, how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.